You know, Dad, today was a great day to take me to this little nature walk. I'm really enjoying myself, honest. I wouldn't lie to you. Never, ever.
What the fuck's the catch? Are you trying to get me to stop drinking again, you little bitch?
Oh no, it's not like that, Dad. I promise. I remember what happened the last time I tried. I learned my lesson.
Spit it out, you fucking twat. God damn, I shouldn't have let your mother smoke fucking crack with you in the womb. Fucking horrible idea.
Dad, you know that special class I'm in? I have a friend in there that likes this one girl that's also in there. This girl, he thinks she's cute. And I can't lie, I think she's cute too. But my friend doesn't think he thinks she's cute. So I don't know what to do. I keep telling him he's cute, but he doesn't listen.
Well, son, you should start by telling your friend to man the fuck up. Then, step 2, he needs to take a shit in his palm, then smear it across your face like a dirty fucking finger painting.
No! I really like her!
Oh, so it's you that likes her. Well, son, today's the day you're gonna regret being a sorry sack of fucking shit. Cause I thought you said you would never lie to me, but you just did. And for that, we're gonna have to take shit to a different measure.
No, Dad! Sorry! Don't give me the dizzy! Don't give me that dizzy!